Come and sing along. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. It's Beep the robot. Let's learn shapes. Come sing along. Shapes are hiding everywhere. Let's find them in our song. Circle, square, and triangle. Shapes are fun for everyone. Point and trace them. 1, 2, 3. How many shapes can you see? A circle is round like a rolling wheel. A rolling wheel. A rolling wheel. A circle is round like a rolling wheel. Round, round, round. A square has 4 sides, all the same. All the same, all the same. A square is the little bus window frame. Square, square, square. A triangle has 3 pointy sides. 3 pointy sides, 3 pointy sides. A triangle road sign helps us drive. Try, triangle. Circle, square, and triangle. Shapes are fun for everyone. Point and trace them. 1, 2, 3. How many shapes can you see? A rectangle is long like a big red truck. A big red truck. A big red truck. A rectangle door goes open and shut. Rectangle. A star has 5 points up in the sky. Up in the sky. Up in the sky. A twinkly star waves night, good night. Star, star, star.